How did you guys spend your time here at the Villa with us?
Oh my goodness. This was absolutely amazing. It exceeded our expectation altogether. The staff was wonderful.
Yes.
Miss Irma was so accommodating and so
Yes.
attentive.
Yes.
Really appreciated the time that she took to make sure we were well, we were doing good and enjoying our time.
I want to say everything is clean, spick and span clean. That's very important. Food was delicious. The chefs did a wonderful job. I mean, the area is nice, very beautiful area. There's a beach down below, wonderful, a river. Oh man, I can't say enough about this property and the staff. The staff is amazing. Constantly just making sure everything was all right, making sure we were comfortable, and just made it a really enjoyable experience. In fact, we're actually going to book ahead 1 year in advance. That's how much we like this place.
Absolutely. Our reservation's going to be held for next year.
We gotta go here.
And I love I love history. I love learning new things. And coming to Jamaica, not only is the island beautiful, and you see that from the plane, but this was such a perfect location because of the private beach. Has so much history to the area. And the fruit trees, the vegetables, the herbs that are just growing all around you. I live in a city where we don't see a lot of that. And it was just so wonderful to see the rivers, how the rivers meet and go into the sea, and people fishing, and everyone's friendly. And I want to agree, Ms. Irma and the staff here was so wonderful. The cooks, I was able to do a tutorial.
Yes, we did a tutorial.
And be able to bring home some dishes.
Yeah.
Ms. Irma was so kind to me. She made me a wonderful tea.
Yes.
Which I will take back.
Yeah.
And DeAndre, everyone, it really felt like home. When I was out, when we were out on our adventures, we would say when we get back home.
Yes.
We didn't say when we get back to the hotel.
Right.
We said when we get back home. So this was truly a home away from home.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So how did you spend your time? You could say something.
It was good. Yeah, it was fun. I love this place. Yes.
How about you, Caleb?
Like,
Okay.
And let's not forget our wonderful,
Okay,
our
thank you
wonderful
guys.
driver.
Oh yes, our driver, Mr. Glenn.
Yes.
He was awesome.
Yes.
He
Yes.
knowledgeable about the area, knew where to take us.
That's
You
right.
know, told us.
Safe driver.
Yes.
And that was my biggest concern coming to Jamaica because I heard about the small roads. But he set the whole atmosphere. The music, he had gospel music playing, which really was calming for me. And but the way he drives, he's not a reckless driver. He's very conscientious, and yes, he knew where we could go for everything, which really it was everything.
Yeah.
So nice.
And the staff is very knowledgeable.
Yes.
And everything. They anticipated our needs. All our needs were met.
Yeah.
Yes.
And what I really liked about it was we have our own private security. This is private.
Yeah.
This is private. So when you come or if you come, security is wonderful.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Actually, all the staff work in the development. We have DeAndrea, which watched me beat my son in pool.
I won. I won a tournament.
Just to let you know. And, we have a bunch of games we play. So we come to a bunch of games.
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
Xbox,
Yeah.
2 Xboxes, Wii, dominoes,
Yes.
Monopoly, a bunch of stuff, a pool table,
Darts.
Picture
darts,
Yes.
Picturica, you have a pool, there's a lot to do.
Lots to do.
Yeah.
Everyone was entertained. The kids were entertained at all times. The
Yes.
adults were entertained. You know.
And the groundskeeper, he saw we were out there. He came and brought us the cushions for the chairs.
Yes.
So that's the type of attention.
Yes.
So if you're watching this,
Gated entrance. Gated entrance.
if you're watching this, if you think you can never afford to live in luxury, this is very affordable, and we have luxury also. And we
Yes.
have private staff that are here, anticipated everything we need, and that's what we really appreciate.
Yes, we do.
Yes. So thank you guys so
Yes,
much for
thank
having
you.
us.
Thank you.
And
Thank
for this
you.
now becoming our home away from home.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you guys too.
All right, you're welcome.